In this video, we are going to take a look on the two tests for the presence of water in a sample. The first one is to test water by using anhydrous cobalt 2 sulfate. Anhydrous cobalt 2 sulfate is a white powder. If water is added to it, it will turn from white to blue. The appearance of blue color indicates the presence of water in the sample. The second test for the water includes the use of dry cobalt 2 chloride paper. It is a blue paper. Once water is added to the paper, it will turn from blue to pink. Both of the tests show the presence of water by changing the color. For anhydrous cobalt 2 sulfate, it changed from white to blue. For dry cobalt 2 chloride paper, it changed from blue to pink. Then we will talk about the important points that we should pay attention to. First of all, these two tests can only show the presence of water, but we cannot test whether the sample is pure water or not. For example, if we test a sample of soda water, both anhydrous cobalt 2 sulfate and dry cobalt 2 chloride paper will change their color. However, the sample is not pure water. If we have to confirm whether the sample is pure water, we should carry out boiling point tests. Because in chapter 2, we learned that for pure substance, it would have a sharp boiling point. For example, for pure water, it would boil at 100 degrees Celsius. So, to test whether the sample is pure water, we should carry out boiling point tests, but not simply test the sample by anhydrous cobalt 2 sulfates or dry cobalt 2 chloride paper. Okay, that's the end of today's video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in Google Classroom. Bye bye.